What's up, YouTube? Hey, so the day been hectic, trying to source products for Amazon, and it's been rough. Um, I got a few product ideas. They gold mines. I'm just trying to get my right manufacturer. Uh, One thing about Facebook, YouTube, social media, Twitter, it's the people that that know you, that make it hard on your business. And I told myself, okay, I started a new business or whatever and everything, and I'm selling products on Amazon, Ebay, and Poshmark. Poshmark, I ain't made a sale yet, but I ain't listed everything I got either. I ain't listed a tenth of what 10% of what I got. So what I'm gonna do now, because I just got offline from ordering some bubble mailers. I'm gonna order me a new backdrop. I keep forgetting to go over to the other warehouse and see if my backdrop, it got to be there, because everybody know I did photography and everything. So, but I bought a mannequin, and I'm gonna make sure that I drive sales from showing the customer that I'm professional. You know, I mean, I really done shelled out a lot of money trying to build this Amazon business. And I'm gonna tell you, it's not easy. See, and then when people know that you're doing it, they just instantly think, oh, you making some money. Nah, man, look at me now. I ain't shaved. Amazon got me pulling my hair out. But I'm getting orders. That I am doing. I'm getting orders. And I'm fortunate enough that I don't have to wait for the payout to buy more products. I'm just trying to buy the right products. See, Amazon gates you off on so many categories. And then it's the holiday season, and me being a new seller, I ain't feeling that. Because all the stuff that I want to buy and sell, Amazon won't let me do it. But it's cool though, because I've been in tighter situations, where I ain't have opportunity to sell nothing. I created opportunities, but I'm sitting in the car now. My wife is an extreme couponer, and our jobs go hand in hand, as far as what I do professionally. I'm going to say she's a professional too. We're professional shoppers. I'm trying to put a whole twist on this couponer thing, because when they talk about male couponers, it sounds kind of funny, so I just tell people I'm a professional shopper, because I would be in there helping her right now. Really not. I would be in there looking around for what I do, because trust me, I can go in here right now and find something. It has to be profitable though right now, because it's Christmas. It's tight. And I'm new, but I know about this. I got that. It's in my heart. I got the gut feeling. But Amazon FBA, Shipping. Oh my goodness. You want to talk about shipping? Shipping. Y'all getting y'all money. Yes, yes. The shipping companies are winning. But that's cool because, what is it? The more you do it, the better you get with packaging, not putting it in the wrong box that's gonna cost you that extra $3, $4. You ship it first class instead of priority and save a few dollars. See, that's what a lot of people that's new, they don't. When I was new, I'm still new. I'm still learning, but I didn't understand priority to first class. That all sound good to me. Yeah, first class flight is a good thing. Priority is a good thing. So, but I'm gonna tell you like this. Amazon, don't start off broke. But if you got to, do what you gotta do. I ain't rich, but I ain't broke. I am fortunate enough to keep sourcing products while I wait on my payouts. And I'm looking at the graph. I'm smiling today. I said, wow, they came in for me. It's been steady all week. Like ever since I started, I've had a sale or two every day. So that's so beautiful to me. And the fact that on eBay, I just got an offer now. I'm gonna take it. I counter offered. He counter offered back. He hit the spot where I wanted him. I'm gonna take it. Yes. Some Bluetooth speakers, 16-inch Bluetooth speaker. But I said, yeah, okay, cool. I'm just trying to get rid of it, but with the $5, I don't even cover the shipping. It's just like we going in on the shipping. So yeah, I'm excited though, man. And I lost on another play. I had one return, but he returned the product back like it's still new. I'll probably 9 out of 10 I'm gonna donate that to like one of my nephews or something. Just cause I can't, in my heart, I can't sell it as new again. Even though I could relist it, hey, as used like new. Because he did open the box, so at this point it's used to me. But he was just looking for something bigger. It's more of a speaker for a kid's room, so that's all cool with me. That's cool with me. I ain't mad. I'm happy. I embrace those type of things. That builds a relationship with you and that customer. Now they know when they buy something from me, if they're not fully satisfied, you can return it, man. Why would I be tripping over that? That's stupid. Like, I just have to write it off on my taxes that I got to return. It's no big deal. That's what you do. You boss up when you trying to do Amazon. You gotta put your big draws on. Big boy draws, big girl panties. You gotta do what you gotta do. Not you fellas. I'm talking about the ladies. You gotta put your big girl panties on and do what you gotta do. Oh, I gotta turn. Oh, I can see myself just good without the light. Yeah. Oh man, I'm talking about. I've been online. I done found me some more suppliers, and videos. So I should have showed y'all them, but this ain't about them. This is about y'all and me trying to give y'all my experience of what I've been going through. And the past two weeks. 2 weeks. This is nice. This is nice. I jumped in right in the holiday season. They approved me. But I'm gated. I'm gated. Amazon, why am I freaking gated? Please. I got so many pair of Nikes I want to sell. I got shoes. I like selling shoes, but they won't let me do it just yet. Not just yet. It's okay. I'm just going to take my time. You got to have patience. I was patient on checking for that email to see if they approved my application because they denied it the first time. They denied it within it was 24 hours, I think. Or did they even wait that long? It was denied fast. The approval took weeks. Cause I checked that thing all the time. I'm like, damn man, it's been 3 days. It's been 4 days. It's been a week. It's been 2 weeks. I think it took down there. I want to say it took me probably 4 or 5 weeks. After like week 3, I quit looking for a while. I can't even keep up. But and yes, I'm itching. I got hair coming out of one. I got shot, so I got scars from when I had surgery. And that hair be bothering the hell out of me. But anyway, back to this online life I've been living. I was doing good on Facebook Marketplace, you know. I still, like, my returns, I only have one, shit. I could do returns on Facebook Marketplace. I mean, when I know the product work, it's still good to go, and I still can recoup some of my money, you know. But yeah, because I had to pay for the return label. Guys, I'm just saying, if you got stuff, if you have a strong drive and you really love selling stuff, do it. Do it. Now, I don't have the individual seller account. No. I'm full-time online retailer. I am a full-time online retailer. And see, this is why. See, because my philosophy is you get out what you put in. If you don't put nothing in this shit, you ain't gonna get nothing out of it. You know? One guy said he hit for 70,000 in sales and he was feeling great. I ain't mad at it. He said some people be like, oh, that's nothing, that's piss money. No. I feel like that's awesome, man. If you never hit that number before, you did it. Because I ain't hit it yet. Not on the online retail. Yeah, living life, yeah, that's nothing. I done hit that, lost it, got it again, passed it, lost it. Went down to 10,000. Okay. Baby back there asleep. But I got down to 10,000 and I quit. I just got real antisocial. Like, no Nope. I start listing. Facebook Marketplace. Listing. Taking a few dollars here, cut here. Just to keep products flowing, keep my name going. Social media, when I post, I want to make sure everybody see it. I don't even know how many Facebook Marketplace. I be telling everybody follow me on Marketplace, but I don't know. I make sales regardless, whether they follow me or not. I don't even know. I don't really care. When I post something on Facebook, I sell it. I guarantee. But I'm gonna sign off. Oh, I'm uploading this video, but I got other videos I didn't record it. I recorded the return video. When I opened the return up, I recorded that because I want to protect myself, and I ain't gonna let nobody play me on my products that I spend my hard-earned time and money sourcing. We ain't gonna do that. So, hey, everybody different. I embrace the returns. I ain't mad at that, but don't try to play me. And it's for you eBay people, because you see the videos like people scamming on eBay, and that shit's scary. You know what I mean? Like, man, I'll send you this product, man, and it's $300-400, man. Don't think it's sweet and you're gonna play me with my money. And no, that ain't professional, man. Cause karma gonna get you. Karma gonna get you. You don't do companies wrong, because those are people. Behind that company is people, man. They got families and kids they gotta take care of. So I'm just letting y'all know. If you ever thought about starting your online retail business, go for it. Don't keep sitting back waiting. I've had sales every day since I started. And I had even bought me a label printer. I love it. A thermal laser printer. Oh my God. It's just for my postage for my mail. Oh man, it's beautiful. Now I bought the Dymo XL, the 4XL, and I'm finna buy another one. I'm gonna buy the twin Dymo 450 or something like that. I did my homework on the other ones. Yeah, they got a couple other nice ones, but this one right here, the Dymo brand just stick out to me for some reason. Dymo, like Dynamite, because it's damn sure rocking for me, and I like it. Well, all right, everybody. What I need y'all to do is like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe. And you ain't subscribed yet, because there's only like 2 people following my page currently. But I'm gonna start posting more. I keep telling I'm gonna post more. I promise I'm gonna post more. I was working on a gardening channel, just trying to find my niche. But stick with me. I'll lead y'all to that channel as well. So that's CC's Gardens. But focus right here on it. Hit the like right there. Right there. Yeah, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Right there. Yeah, right there. Hit the subscribe button. And stay with me. Alright, my baby about to wake up. So, perfect timing. Signing off. Hey, boy.